Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet effective upgrade that can breathe new life into your older Lenovo IdeaPad laptop. We're talking about the OWC 8GB DDR3L 1600MHz SATA memory module, specifically designed for compatibility with a range of Lenovo IdeaPad models, including the 300-15 ISK, 300-17 ISK, 300S, 14 ISK, 305-15 IBD, 305-15 IHW, 500-14 ACZ, and 500S, 13 ISK. This RAM upgrade promises a noticeable boost in performance. If you're finding your IdeaPad is struggling with multitasking, running demanding applications, or even just general responsiveness, this could be the solution you've been looking for. The OWC module is an 8GB DDR3L stick operating at 1600 MHz, PC3L 12800, with a CL11 latency. The L in DDR3L is important as it signifies low voltage, 1.35E to be exact. This is crucial for compatibility and power efficiency, especially in laptops. It's a 2RX8 configuration, meaning it has 2 ranks of memory chips on the module. OWC emphasizes that this module is 100% JEDEC standard and RoHS compliant, ensuring it meets industry standards for quality and environmental safety. It's also designed and tested to meet or exceed all manufacturer OEM specifications, giving you peace of mind that it will work seamlessly with your compatible IdeaPad. One of the biggest advantages of upgrading your RAM is the immediate performance improvement you'll likely experience. More RAM allows your system to handle more data simultaneously, reducing the need to constantly access the slower hard drive or SSD. This translates to faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and an overall more responsive computing experience. OWC also stands behind their products with an industry-leading consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty, which includes free tech support. This level of support can be invaluable if you encounter any issues during installation or use. Plus, it's a direct replacement for Lenovo part number 03T7118, 03X6657, 0B47381, 88801672, GX70J 36384, and GX70K 42907. Making it a guaranteed fit if your system uses any of those. For anyone looking to extend the life and improve the performance of their compatible Lenovo IdeaPad, the OWC 8GB DDR3L memory module is definitely worth considering. It's a cost-effective upgrade that can deliver a tangible improvement in your laptop's speed and responsiveness.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.